Welcome back, guys. Amateur Professionals here. What a great trade between the Bulls and the Knicks. Psych. Are you fucking serious? Bro, are you serious? I'm pretty sure you heard already. But for those who live under a rock, the Chicago Bulls traded Derrick Rose to the New York Knicks Wednesday afternoon. All New York had to do is send Robin Lopez, Jaren Grant, and Jose Calderon to the Bulls for Rose, Justin Holiday, and a future 2007 second-round pick. Now, who won the trade, you might ask? Obviously, the Knicks. But goddammit, I'm still trying to figure out what the fuck would the Bulls trade Derrick Rose. I knew there was some questions about his health last season, but he played 66 games and averaged about 16.4 points per game. If you ask me, he looks solid. But even if you have questions on the 27-year-old former MVP, the Bulls should have at least kept him one more year. They should have used that year to evaluate him and analyze him. Now, with the additions of Porzingis and Carmelo, I believe Derrick Rose is going to be really happy playing along two of the best offensive players he has ever played with. If you go through all those teammates he has played with, you cannot find two similar players like Porzingis and especially Carmelo that could get buckets. I don't care who the Bulls got in return. They're trash players. I don't know what the Bulls' plans are, but in my opinion, they have taken the first L of free agency. Overall, New York has a great trio so far with Carmelo and Porzingis. Carmelo and Porzingis will spread the floor and allow Derrick Rose to attack the rim and do some damage. Now, defensively, that's a whole different story. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Was this a good move for the Bulls or the Knicks? Don't forget to get a like and subscribe. We out.
We talking about practice, man.
What? I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
We back in the building. Y'all thought we was gone.